and then run the bot at that instance. Hello, welcome to this tutorial in which you learn how to trade over 3 using a Deriv bot. So in this tutorial, you'll be opening a split tab which you'll be using to analyze, and the other one you'll be using to set the bot and run it. So here is the dashboard. As you can see it, you will only be able to see it when you log in. So this is Traders Hub. If you do not see it, you can just open here. You'll be seeing it just above here, depending whether you have just logged into your account or you are just somewhere in your settings. So what you need to do here is just let's say that you do not have an account, you need to create one. Then after creating, you verify your identity so that you'll be able to withdraw your money. And then after doing all that, you just end up here. And here is where you just need to choose. You need a real account or a demo. So a demo is the one that you use to teach yourself how to trade, and a real is the one that you deposit your money and start trading. So if you want to create an account, use the link in the description and create an account right away after watching this video. So here, to open Deriv bot dashboard, you just need to open it here on the Deriv bot. You just open it here, but I'll be opening it on a new tab, or I can just split it so that it comes on this side, and I'll be able to analyze. One side I'll be using to analyze, and the other side I'll be using to set the bot. So what I will do here, I just open this first on new tab so that I can set something. The one with the bot, I want it on another side, so I can just close one. So this is the one that I'll be opening the bot, and I open another one. So here I just open in split screen. As you can see here, I just open it this way, and you can see it just came here. So this is the side of the bot, and I'll be uploading a bot here, and I have provided the bot that I'll be using in the description. So if you want to use it, make sure that you download it in the description below. So here I just upload it, and I will not be uploading from Google Drive. I'll just be uploading from my local storage, and I just go to downloads. This is the bot that I'll be using. So I just open, and this is the preview of the bot. So here I just open it, and here it is. I can just long press, drag it to see it clearly. Now here I need to open Deriv Trader. So I just open Deriv Trader, and then after opening Deriv Trader, I just proceed to these options. I just go to options, which you can see here, over and under, so that I can see some percentages that I need. There are some percentages that I need, and I just drag this one so that I can see some hidden information here. You can see we have a digit that is hidden. So if I want to see it, I can just drag it this way. So you see, when I drag it this way, I'm able to see it. What I'm interested here is just to see how these numbers are being touched and the percentages, so that I change here which prediction that I set. So on this board, here is where you set the number that you are predicting. And since we said that we'll be trading over 3, then the digit is 3 there, and then we'll proceed to choose the contract type to over 3. So that is the setting that you need to change, and the stake that you are willing to enter here. So make sure that you enter the money that you are willing to lose. And because I'll be using a demo account, I just set it to 5, and I also set there to 5, and then change to a demo account so that we test it out. Now, if you are trading over 3, you need first to confirm the market. You can see here, this the market that when you run the bot, it will run on this market. And here on the analysis side, this is the market that you will be seeing the stats here. So make sure that when you trade the same market same as the one on the analysis side. So here I just be changing to 100 without S. As you can see, 100 just index, and then I can see the stats. So since I'm trading over 3, I need to make sure that the percentages just here before 3 have the highest percentages. Let's say that 2 has almost 11 or 11, 1 has 11 there and above, and then 0 can have, let's say, 10.5 there. So you can see like 9 has 11.4. So if I were trading, let's say that trading 3 over 3 is same as trading under 6. So here I found a market that is at least, and you can see we have at least some numbers that have a high percentage. And also you need to be checking the 3 also. Avoid it when it has a low percentage, because when it happens that it touches that 3 when you have placed a trade, then you will lose. The only numbers that can make you win are 4 up to 9. So these numbers from 3 to this one can make you lose money. Now I just proceed to check another one, and make sure that you go through all of them so that you do not miss a best deal in a certain market, because we have markets that are at least better. As you can see, this market is good market. As I was saying, you can see all these 4 numbers have a high percentage that I can bet on. So I'm just going with over, and then I'll trade it on volatility 75. You also need to note that when you change the market, then this might happen to change this contract type. So you need to return it to over, because I noticed that if you do not change it, you might end up losing, because it might be gambling between over and under instead of running with only one type of trade. So we'll wait for this pointer to hit here, and then we run it, as you can see there. So let us wait and see. You can see we entered in profit. So make sure that you check that contract type, because if you do not check it, you will end up losing money there. So make sure that you wait for it to touch here and then run the bot at that instance, because it will just not be returning there, and then stop right away so that you wait again until it touches here. Now on this bot, what you also need to edit is your target profit and stop loss. The amount of profit that when it gets, it just stops automatically, and the loss that when it makes, it stops also automatically. And also here you can edit it to 2 ticks, because a delay will help you so that market returns where you wanted to enter, and then the bot will run. So let us run this one and see for 2 ticks how it happens. So most of the time 2 ticks will end up saving you, so you need to stick to 2 ticks when using the bot. I'll also just share it with these settings so that you do not have to struggle setting it. So thanks for watching. If you have a question, ask it in the comment section. I'll be saving this bot the way it looks like, and I'll share it in the description, so you can use that link to download it. And if you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.